France is renowned for its exquisite cuisine, and narrowing down the 10 best dishes is quite a task. However, here are 10 iconic French dishes that are widely loved and celebrated. 1. Soupe à l'oignon. Soupe à l'oignon, a beloved French onion soup. Soupe à l'oignon is made with caramelized onions, beef broth, and topped with toasted bread and melted cheese, creating a comforting and flavorsome dish. 2. Bouillabaisse. Bouillabaisse, hailing from the port city of Marseille. Bouillabaisse is a flavorful fish stew made with various types of fish, shellfish, saffron, and a medley of vegetables. 3. Escargots de Bourgogne. Escargots de Bourgogne, a delicacy in French cuisine. Escargots de Bourgogne are snails cooked with garlic, parsley, and butter. They are typically served in their shells. 4. Crepes. Crepes, thin, delicate pancakes. Crepes can be enjoyed in various ways. They can be filled with savory ingredients like cheese, ham, and vegetables, or sweet fillings like Nutella, fruit, or whipped cream. 5. Ratatouille. Ratatouille. This vibrant vegetable stew features a medley of tomatoes, eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, onions, and herbs, cooked slowly to bring out the flavors. 6. Steak tartare. Steak tartare, a raw beef dish. Steak tartare is finely chopped or minced beef mixed with onions, capers, herbs, and seasonings. It is typically served with toast or fries. 7. Quiche Lorraine. Quiche Lorraine, a savory tart consisting of a buttery pastry crust filled with a mixture of eggs, cream, cheese, and bacon or ham. Quiche Lorraine is a beloved classic. 8. Bœuf bourguignon. Bœuf bourguignon, another delightful stew. Bœuf bourguignon is made with beef braised in red wine, onions, carrots, and herbs, resulting in a tender and flavorful dish. 9. Tarte tatin. Tarte tatin, this famous caramelized upside-down apple tart is made by baking apples with butter and sugar in a pastry crust until it caramelizes and turns golden. 10. Crème brûlée. Crème brûlée, a luscious dessert. Crème brûlée features a smooth and creamy custard base topped with a layer of caramelized sugar, creating a delightful contrast of textures. These 10 dishes represent just a fraction of the incredible culinary heritage of France, but they offer a glimpse into the diverse and delicious world of French cuisine.